Hello, dear students. In this video, we're going to talk about the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so this is the example that we did in class where you did your group quiz. And what you're going to do is first write down the formula. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, the first thing you're going to do is find c. So c is the hypotenuse, or the longest side. When you look at this triangle, what is the longest side? Pause the video and let me know. If you said that it was the x, then you're correct. So the x we can put in for the c. And next, tell me what are the two shorter sides? The two shorter sides can be put into A and B. So it doesn't matter which one you do. So that's why I'm going to do orange for both. So 4 could be A, or 4 could be B, 3 could be A, 3 could be B. Okay, so now plug it in and try to solve it yourself. Pause the video. If you did 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared, that's correct. Now solve it. Pause the video and do it yourself. If you said 3 squared is 3 times 3, so that's 9. And you add 4 squared, and that's 4 times 4, that's 16, and that equals c squared. Or actually, you know what? Instead of writing c, I should plug in the x, right? So x squared, because we're plugging in that x where the c is. Okay, so 9 plus 16 is x squared, and then we have 25 equals x squared. And we want to get rid of that little 2 in the upper right-hand corner. So the way we do that is take the square root. Square root of 25 equals the square root of x squared. What's the square root of 25? Well, 5 times 5 is 25. So that's 5, and that's going to equal to x. Okay, that's our first example. Now, what happens if we're missing one of the legs? So in this one of the legs is missing. So I want you to okay, I'm going to write this formula. And now plug it in and see what you get. Just set up the equation. Pause the video and set up the equation. Plug in the sides. Well, if you said that you think that the 13 is the longest, and so it should go into the C, you are correct. And so the other two sides, the 12 and the X, can go into A and B, no problem. So let's say 12 squared plus x squared equals 13 squared. 12 times 12 is 144 plus x squared equals 169. Now, what do I do to get the x squared by itself? Think about that. You subtract. Minus 144. And you're going to get x squared is equal to 25. What's the last step going to be? You're going to get rid of the square by taking the square root. And x is going to equal to 5. Okay. Very good. Over and out.